Hi, I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is a happy song from the Walt Disney's 1946 Oscar-winning but controversial action animated film, A Song of the South. It won the 1947 Academy Award for the Best Original Song, and it's a happy four-chord song, great for groups. I'll sing it, then I'll tell you more about it, and as usual, go through all the chords and strums. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-a, my oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine headed my way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-a, Mr. Bluebird's on my shoulder. It's the truth, it's actual, everything is satisfactual. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-a, a wonderful feeling, a wonderful day. Mr. Bluebird's on my shoulder. It's the truth, it's actual, everything is satisfactual. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-a, a wonderful feeling, wonderful day. As I said, this is the song Zippity-Doo-Dah, coming from the film Song of the South, Disney film, 1946. It's controversial, however, because it concerns some young children, including the white grandson of a plantation owner, befriending an elderly black plantation worker who tells them traditional southern US stories as adopted by Joel Chandler Harris, like Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox and Brer Bear. The stories helped them cope with the challenges of living on the plantation shortly after the end of the American Civil War and the abolition of slavery. Songs were written by Ali Rubel, born to a Jewish family in Middletown, Connecticut, who collaborated with the lyricist Ray Gilbert. Uncle Remus was played by James Franklin Baskett, and his performance earned him an honorary Academy Award in 1948, but sadly he was prohibited from attending the film's premiere in Atlanta, Georgia, because Atlanta was at that time racially segregated by law. Walt Disney had wanted to produce a film based on Uncle Remus' stories since 1937, and he completed this one in 1946. Post-1950, however, the subject became controversial, and Disney CEO Bob Iger refused to allow it to be shown, even with a disclaimer: a no-home movie is available. However, it was not officially banned, and it is available in many countries, and these clips are from the original trailer. Whatever controversy, it's a happy, infectious song, great for singing in a group. Zippity-Doo-Dah is in the key of C, so the first chord to play is that C chord. Zippity-Doo-Dah, then chord of F, zippity, back to C, A, back to F, my, A, back to C, my, now a D7. You can either use this one, that's a Hawaiian D7, or you can use this one, wonderful, G7. Play the same pattern again, C, F, C, zippity-doo-dah, then D7 again, zippity, A. Middle section goes G7, Mr. Bluebird's on my shoulder. It's the truth, it's actual, G7. Everything is satisfactual. Then we're back to the original pattern. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-a, wonderful feeling, wonderful day. So you got that pattern over and over again. C, F, C, F, C, D7, G7, C. And the strumming patterns I'm using are fairly straightforward as well. I do sometimes do this fan stroke. That's a quite nice stroke to learn. You go across each string in turn with each finger. Like that. But you don't have to do that, just straightforward. ZIP-A-DEE-DOO-DAH, ZIP-A-DEE-A, and so on like that. And if you want to, you can make it more interesting by playing around with the rhythm word. I always like to use that free chord if I can. It just adds a bit of variety. Anyway, it's a great song, as I say, a happy song to sing with, whatever the controversy, and I hope you'll have a go at it. But whatever you do, however you do it, as always, have fun.